Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about what's next for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. After Bitcoin, Ether, the Ethereum network's cryptocurrency, is perhaps the second biggest digital currency token. Ether and Bitcoin are identical in many aspects, such as the fact that they are both digital currencies that can be exchanged on online exchanges and held in a variety of cryptocurrency wallets. Both of these currencies are decentralized, which means that they aren't issued or governed by a central bank or other governing body and make use of blockchain, a distributed ledger technology. While distributed ledgers and cryptography are at the heart of both the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, the two are vastly different in terms of technology. Transactions on the Ethereum network, for example, may include executable code, but data attached to Bitcoin network transactions are often used merely to keep track of transactions. Other distinctions involve block time, that is, an Ether transaction is completed in seconds, but a Bitcoin transaction takes minutes, and the algorithms which they use, such as Ethereum uses ETHASH, while Bitcoin uses SHA-256.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Have you ever wondered how to end procrastination and self-sabotage so you can unleash your full potential to live the life you deserve? #1 best-selling author and high-performance coach Peter Sage is hosting a free webinar where he'll teach you how to increase your wealth with less time and struggle, and also how to hyper-boost your growth and success so you can finally break out of any rut you find yourself in. Right now, Peter and his team are offering a free $100 gift to anyone who doesn't find his webinar as the best use of their time within the last 5 years. Now, let's get back to the video.
Let us now take an overview of what's been happening. The relative strength of Ether during May's cryptocurrency crash has reignited speculation that the second largest digital token might one day surpass Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. The largest virtual currency is currently more than twice the size of Ether, although the difference closed by nearly $350 billion in May, thanks to one of Bitcoin's steepest losses and a smaller decline in Ether. Ether supporters point to the currency's appeal in blockchain-based financial services and digital collectibles, including a continuing update to the Ethereum network's effectiveness. According to Tegan Klein, co-founder of blockchain software business Edge and Node, Ether will certainly surpass Bitcoin at some point in the future, as Ethereum will be superior when it comes to innovation and developer enthusiasm. However, she also stated that traders should invest in both tokens. Prediction in the crypto sector is dangerous due to the rapid pace of development. Nonetheless, Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated strategists and star investor Cathie Wood have recently emphasized Ether's potential. Quite widely, interest in virtual currencies has grown beyond Bitcoin, whose share of the $1.6 trillion overall crypto market value has dropped to 42% from about 70% in 2021, according to CoinGecko data. Bitcoin's first mover advantage appears fragile, according to Goldman commodity strategists Mikhail Sprogis and Jeff Curry, who added that there's a good chance it'll eventually lose its crown as the dominant digital medium of exchange to some other cryptocurrency with better functional use and technological agility. They stated that Ether appears to be the most promising suspect to overtake Bitcoin, but that such an outcome is far from certain. They claim that Ether's annual supply growth is restricted, bolstering its status as a store of wealth. What is the growth story? Pat Lavachia, CEO of crypto broker Oasis Pro Markets LLC, believes Ether is beginning to be seen as a better long-term growth model. Bitcoin has lost nearly 37% in May, one of the largest monthly losses on record, while Ether has lost roughly 11%. The most valuable token fell 1% to $35,750. At $2,447, Ether was hardly altered after Elon Musk attacked Bitcoin's energy profile and China increased regulatory discourse. Virtual currencies have been under pressure. For some, Bitcoin will beat off competitors to maintain its position as the most popular cryptocurrency, not least because of the massive amount of attention it receives. Given how organizations and tycoons like Musk are talking about Bitcoin, Andrew Kiguel, CEO of Tokens.com, believes it has the best outside validation signals. Ether has increased by more than 900% in the last year, outpacing Bitcoin's 275% increase. Given the massive gains, the discussion over what crypto insiders refer to as the flippening, a future in which Ether's value surpasses that of Bitcoin, will undoubtedly rage on for some time.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. How would you feel knowing that you could pay every bill you have right now as well as any future bills that come in? Commission Hero is a proven system that has helped over 8,000 people earn upwards of $1,000 a day or more. The best part is that there is zero experience needed to get started. In this free training, Robbie Blanchard and his team will teach you the top 3 secrets to how and why this system works, and how it can also work for you. Join the thousands of people who have found success and financial freedom using Commission Hero. Right now, the first 100 people to use the link below will get access to this free webinar. Now let's get back to the video.
What analysts have to say about Bitcoin's and Ether's futures? Despite analysts' predictions that Ether will overtake Bitcoin, neither will be able to conquer gold due to the greater stability of gold's commerce and investment aspects. Ether, often known as Ethereum, has recently gained popularity in the market. In a time when Bitcoin and many crypto trading firms around the world are facing what appears to be a global crackdown, it appears that a new competitor for the top spot has emerged. Goldman Sachs has offered its future predictions and outlooks for the cryptocurrency. Goldman Sachs stated in the report that the cryptocurrency's real-world applications may soon make it the dominant digital reserve of value. According to Goldman Sachs, this means that the coin could eclipse the Bitcoin cryptocurrency in the coming years. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a greater brand equity that has developed through time. While this may offer Bitcoin an advantage, it lacks the real-world applications that Ether does. According to a Business Insider analysis, currently it appears that the cryptocurrency with the greatest real-world potential is Ethereum, as the platform on which it is based is the most popular development platform for smart contract applications, according to the Goldman Sachs study. Despite the growing competition among digital currencies, Goldman Sachs believes gold will continue to be the champion for investors. According to Goldman Sachs researchers, neither cryptocurrency would be able to overtake gold in terms of value and stability because of the nature of cryptocurrencies, which is unpredictable at best. Gold competes with crypto in the same way it competes with other risky assets like equities and cyclical commodities, the investment bank said. Gold is a defensive inflation hedge for us, while cryptocurrency is a risk-on inflation hedge. According to Goldman Sachs, the nature of the rivalry is producing such volatility, making it a risky investment for most investors. Analysts predict that Ethereum could climb sharply against Bitcoin over the next few weeks as a result of technical breakthroughs with EIP 1559, as well as positive fundamentals, according to ZebPay Trade Desk. The global depletion of Ether on exchanges will restrict its circulation and create scarcity, perhaps driving prices up. ZebPay further mentioned that ETH has previously taken support of $1,720. It performed the same thing this time and began to move upwards, making a higher top, higher bottom pattern. The asset has risen about 39% from its recent lows, reaching a weekly high of $2,386.5. At these levels, ETH encountered resistance and some profit booking. The asset is currently consolidating around $2,350 to $2,150, and if the price maintains the support levels, another surge up to the next resistance level of $2,650 might be expected. Bitcoin prices have taken a knock in recent weeks, and the price has fallen below the $35,000 threshold. The most recent update, on July 14, 2021, the majority of major cryptocurrencies fell as bears continued to push prices down. The top 10 traded cryptocurrencies, with the exception of those tethered to the US dollar, have lost up to 25%. Bitcoin was down 8%, while Ethereum was down a whopping 21%. Binance Coin, XRP, and Cardano were all in the negative double digits as well. According to analysts, the sell-off occurred at a considerably higher volume, implying that the trend may persist for some time. They also concluded that bears are currently dragging the markets down. Despite the fact that this was not a massive panic selling session, the overall market sentiment is gloomy. BTC is speculating on the $33,000 mark. The price of ETH plummeted below $2,000, causing panic among cryptocurrencies. This kind of volatility is likely to persist throughout the week. However, selling was not limited to the crypto market. Equities around the world were also under pressure. The main reason for this is a stronger than expected rise in US inflation, which has driven rates and the US dollar high. The consumer price index in the United States increased by 0.9% in June, according to the Labor Department. This was the highest rise since June 2008, and it was above market estimates. Analysts predict that the imminent grayscale unlockings combined with the Taproot upgrade will lead to a surge in purchases by affluent investors and BTC whales. Bitcoin is expected to climb to $318,417 by December 2025, according to experts, with a median projection of $470,000 by 2030, according to Wave Financial senior trader Justin Chu. Halving events and inflation along the road to 2025 and 2030 will likely spark the larger upside moves. Prices are likely to be dictated by supply and demand indefinitely, with less availability for a broader range of users. That's it for today's video. Do share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and we will meet you in the next one.